Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. Here in England, we are now in a lockdown for a month, which means that no driving lesson and no driving test. So you can't take any driving lessons. Also, you can't take any driving test for a month until everything opens. So does that mean you should just stop learning? Does that mean that you should just leave everything for a month and then when everything opens, you go back and learn again? My advice to you would be use that time and keep learning. Learn from books, learn from channels, YouTube channels, learn by watching videos. So the more you learn, more better is going to be when everything opens up, when you go back to your driving lesson. So if I were you, I would open the book and read about the subjects that you need to learn, or watch videos and learn about the subjects you will be learning in a driving lesson. That way, when everything opens up, when you go back to your driving lesson again, it will help you save time and money. Why? Because more knowledge you gain now, you will need less time for your instructor to explain to you about the subject. So if I were you, I would learn about these subjects, gain as much as possible the knowledge of those subjects you will be learning. That way you will need less time on the lesson and you'll be saving money in long term. So my advice, don't waste any time sitting at home doing nothing. I would use the time to gain knowledge about driving, about the subjects I will be learning in a driving lesson. So for next few weeks, I will be coming with a subject and I'll talk to you and explain about the subject so that you get more knowledge about those subjects. And hopefully when everything opens up, it will help you to learn better, and hopefully it will become a little easier for you to learn with your driving instructor. So I will be coming with the subjects, but if there are subjects you want me to talk about, let me know in the description, and hopefully I will come to you with those subjects and talk about those subjects. So let me know in the description the subjects you want me to talk about in the future lessons. Like I said, for next few weeks I will come with a subject and talk to you about those subjects. So let me know the subjects you want to talk about in the description, and I will talk about those subjects, giving you more details so you understand better. Also, I am working now on a course for the learners to understand and to learn from my course. So I am working on that, and hopefully it will finish in about few weeks. Now in that course, I will be working with a small group. So if you want to be a part of that group, make sure you register yourself in the description below, and I will email you and let you know when that will be launched. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and please do let me know the subject you want me to talk about on the next lesson or on the next video, which is going to be in the next few days. So thank you for watching this video and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.